In March of 2010, there was some legislation that passed. It's known as the FATCA, or Foreign Account Tax Compliance Act. And in essence, that act created a new form and new compliance requirements and new reporting requirements for U.S. individuals who have interest or signature authority over what's deemed as specified financial assets. The best way for people to think about it is, do I have a bank account? Do I have a brokerage account? Do I own foreign corporations shares? Am I a beneficiary of assets in a foreign trust? These are the type of assets. Do I have foreign securities or debt, things like that? And you're now actually required to disclose those starting in 2011. Pretty detailed form. The form is 8938. But you actually also have to disclose the current fair market value of those assets. One of the difficulties is going to be on things such as illiquid assets. How do you value those? It's going to be a good conversation that many tax preparers have to have with their clients who have these assets. The threshold for reporting them, it starts at $50,000 for individuals. So if you add up all of your foreign financial assets, non-U.S. financial assets, and you aggregated those, and you took the fair market value on any given day during the year, during the calendar year, if that value in the equivalent of U.S. dollars exceeded 50,000, that trips the reporting mechanism. So now you have to report all the assets. If it's a joint return, the threshold moves from 50 to 100,000. This is, again, a very, very new form. Regulations are forthcoming. There's also guidance that's going to be issued very shortly in the next couple weeks from the Internal Revenue Service to kind of help people to determine what is a foreign financial asset. But I would encourage you to seek professional help in this area. Unfortunately, the penalties, the civil fines for non-compliance are extremely high, starting around $10,000 each year. So it certainly makes sense to investigate whether or not you own any of these qualifying assets and whether you're going to meet that threshold for reporting.